Oh, that's awful.
The beer belly.
Which one are you?
Yeah, hot.
It's weird.
Weird. Get the what floor sign.
Clean cut, gone for a shred. They're like in their peak condition.
Guys,
was
they're
him.
just too skin.
Would you want his number?
Here are 4 different body types. As number 1, we've got Daniel. He's someone who takes his fitness very seriously, as he's often in the ring, and as a boxer, he's got decent size to him. For number 2, we have me, someone who's made the gym their second home and has recently cut down from since being on a bulk. For number 3, we have Will, someone that's always into being outdoors and just doing cool stuff, but has only in recent years started to take the gym more seriously. Then for number 4, we have Callum. If he's not editing, he's a fairly regular gym goer who's naturally very lean. And we thought that we'd put the question to the girls of the public. We have 4 pictures, 4 different body types, numbered 1 to 4, and you just have to pick the one that you like the look of.
Was it a male?
Yes. Is that okay?
Yeah, fine.
And what's better place to ask than in central London? Alright, what are we saying, boys? Who is going to come on top? That sounded a bit sus.
I can't lie, I don't want to flute my own toot, but I think that picture's just a hard picture.
The one on the left.
But no, so's yours though. And I reckon some girl's going to try and be humble. No.
Give him it. Let's have a look.
That's
Cole's got the tan. I think they're going to say Ben's too much.
Yeah, Ben's abs are like...
Ben's is like, what even is that? Cole could do well, but he's not facing directly at the camera, so that could be a disadvantage.
And there's a bit of a skinny belly fat running there.
I reckon probably Callum will get the most.
Yeah, I reckon my prediction's Callum.
Yeah, I reckon that's Serge.
What about yourself?
I think I'm going to win. Easy.
It's an old picture of me. Obviously now I'm
Yeah.
No, actually it's Mum's.
Unfortunately for this one, the mic decided to stop working, but to start off the day, the answer for this one was number 4. Go 1.
Yeah,
1?
Okay, 3.
Why 1?
Why
It's
one?
nice, isn't it?
Nice. Is it the tan?
Too skinny. I don't.
Too skinny. It's too skinny. Okay.
You look better than me. I think they're all lovely.
You think they're all lovely? Ah.
Yeah.
3? Are we all saying 3?
Okay, I'll go with 3. I like 3.
3.
What happened to one?
I liked one, but go with 3.
Liked.
Yeah, I mean they're all great, aren't they?
3.
Is that me?
No.
Is this you?
Oh,
Oh.
look at his face! Look how ready he is! Is that
Turn the
genuine?
camera around.
Mate, they were like creaming try. They're like free, who's free? They're like, no, I need Free's phone number. I was like, yeah,
we
calm
do.
down, girls, calm down.
Well, have you got 4?
Oh, 4.
So he's 1 and 2, and 3 and 4.
Go back. 3.
Why 3?
I don't like it when they're too skinny or I can see too many muscles.
Too skinny. You like a bit more of a dad bod, would you say? Yeah, dad bod.
I think I can pick you up. Then we're not doing
Oh.
something right.
So they need to be like bit meaty, bit heavy. Yeah. And 3 as well?
Oh yeah, I would choose 3. I
2.
just don't like when I'm like the same thing. If somebody too skinny hugs me, then I get jabbed with bones and it freaks me out.
Jabbed with bones.
Was that a couple more for free?
We'll want it again.
Have I actually come through on this vid? The underdog? That is crazy. Humble.
You might just have to quit the gym.
Humble schmumble. That's
You
what I
have to
say.
start bulking and just start eating more.
Bro, it's unspoken riz.
What would you say out of the 4?
I would say 3,
3? How
Yeah.
come 3?
because I don't like muscly men.
Don't have muscly men.
No. I don't like it when they're totally toned like that.
Really?
Yeah.
So you don't like abs or anything? You prefer a bit more like I want to say dad bod, but that's kind of what we're going with.
I don't like that look where
You don't like one at all.
No, well, he's not fat. He's just all right.
But number 1 is that? What's wrong with number 1 or number 2 even?
Oh, that's awful.
That's awful.
That's
number 2.
terrible, yeah.
What about number
How-
1?
What
No, don't like number 1 either.
is it? Just too much muscle?
Too
One.
much pigeon. Not you 3, is it?
No, it's not us at all.
No,
Oh right,
Don't like. That's the worst.
that's the number 2's the worst, is it? Okay,
Thank
no
you.
worries.
What's this going on about dad bod, bro? What's
going
Oh,
on?
you can't complain. The birds love it. The birds absolutely love it.
2 is
actually
the
going
worst.
on? What is going on?
2 is the worst.
Well, what is actually going
the worst.
The worst out of all of us. You are the
They didn't
worst.
just not vote for you. They said you were the worst.
The worst.
1 and 2. Jeez, 1's nice.
And then these 2.
3 and 4.
4.
Why are we picking this? Okay,
4.
How come 4?
It just looks more balanced.
More balanced.
Balanced.
It's quite toned. Is he a bit too big, number 3?
Do you not like the dad bods?
No. As in, they all look good. They all look fine.
They all look
What
fine.
about you
They
two?
all look fine. Why not 2? Is that too much?
No, they all look fine. I'm just like choosing the
Okay.
the best.
Are you all saying 4? Would you all agree?
Okay, yeah.
4?
You're 4.
4 as well. Well, 3 for 4 just then.
Is that me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Haven't got 1 yet. Haven't got actually 1. And neither have
Has
you
it
got
just
it?
been me and Roxby the whole
Yeah.
time?
I haven't got 1.
So far, moral of the story: just go on a bulk.
I reckon if you start asking
Don't
the
go
man.
gym.
Well,
Yeah, that's
you
the
gotta-
man
You gotta
then.
go one way or the other. Be,
Yeah.
be a bit more lean. Or be
Jeez.
fat.
Funny thing is, they call it Covent Garden, but where's the garden? It's just Coventry. Right, I'm going to ask some things.
So there's 1 and 2,
Okay.
and then 3 and 4.
Oh, go back to 1 and 2, please.
Yeah. Number 1. How come number 1?
He has a buff chest with
Buff chest.
like a slim torso. Which
Yeah.
is really good.
Not 2. Is that not?
2 is actually nice, but I just like the fact that he's got a buff chest. And that number
Okay.
1 kind of like shows the buff chest.
So the bigger chest. Okay.
Yeah, I think 1 as well.
Number 1. Both for number 1.
Yeah.
Wow. Number
We're
1.
alike.
You're alive.
Is that
Not
right
bad.
answer?
That's the right answer. Well, it is for him. It is for him. Okay.
Whose body is that?
Thank you guys.
You've helped his ego there. I'm number 2.
Oh, you know I'm skeptical.
I'm skeptical. They don't believe me. You have to see it. Oh no, I'm shy.
Did you like not drink water for a while and stuff to have like the
No,
pop
no.
like that? Like, well.
All of us, right? Okay.
I like a dad bod.
You like a dad bod?
Yeah.
So 3.
Would you say when 3's a bit?
dad bod. Where's
No.
the beer belly?
Needs a bit more of a beer belly.
Yeah.
So the others, they're way too skinny.
Hang on. That's muscly. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's like you're just at the gym all the time.
So 2's definitely a no.
Turn around and say it's you.
No.
I like that.
Number 3.
Okay,
We've got 1 for 3. 3, okay.
Probably 3, I reckon.
Don't be a sheep, go on. You're your own person. 3 and 4.
4. 4. Okay.
3, definitely 3.
Another 3.
I might go. I'll probably go 2.
2. We've got 1 for 2.
That's the first.
You know that's the first person to ever put 2 today.
Really?
Yeah, no one likes 2. Feel bad for the guy.
No, number 4, I think.
Number 4. Why 4?
I don't know. Maybe doesn't train too much, but naturally, muscly.
Yeah, just a bit of lean.
1. I think you're trying a bit too hard.
That's a bit of you, is it?
Yeah, I like it. You're free. You're free.
You like a bit of
You're free. You're free. You are. I can see it. Oh, we can see it's free. And actually,
So you're saying 4?
you're
Your boyfriend.
So is the majority number 3?
free. You're you.
I'll take that. Happy birthday. See you later.
First one today. Finally.
Who did we guess?
We guessed Callum to win.
I think you two are like toe to
No,
toe.
I've still got time. I want to redeem myself.
Still got Ty. He's trying to.
I still want to
claw
redeem
back.
myself. Why number 1? Just like
Yeah, preference. I guess.
preference.
If
Guys,
it was
they're
him,
just too skin-
would you want his number? Question mark.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Rose off a game.
They're all good.
They're all good. They're all good.
Who's the dub?
That was him.
Cut all the dub.
That was,
Cut all
that was
and the
him.
snare.
That was him. And he got a number.
Yeah, but then you said she was.
She's 17.
Nah.
You didn't
Say
say
that. That's
that,
fine. No, that's Cuttle's. You're 19, aren't you?
mate.
What do you mean, mate?
They got 1 and 2 there, and 3 and 4.
Go back to 1 and 2. Probably 1.
How come number 1?
I don't know. Just seems like,
Hot.
yeah, hot.
If he was here
Hot.
right now, you'd want his number, wouldn't you?
I don't know if I would go that far, but like maybe.
What would make it so you would want his number?
I need to see like his face, his personality. I don't just like, you know.
Okay, what if he had a good personality, good face?
Good vibe?
Yeah.
Potentially, yeah.
Okay. How'd you have
Are you nervous?
No, I'm just re-entering.
Okay.
Hello, my name's Dan. I'm
Hello.
actually number 1.
You're number 1?
Yeah, what's your name?
I'm Grace. Nice to meet you.
Anyway,
Sorry.
what's your preferred way of communication?
Instagram. I don't give people my number.
That's good.
Fair
You
enough.
don't want weirdos getting your number.
Exactly. I got too many of those.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
We're banned for rizzing. We had too much rizz. He felt the aura and he was like, nah, these lads are pulling way too many beans.
New location.
Free.
How come? Free.
Just remind you of your husband.
What it used to be like.
Well, it used to be like, oh no.
That's it.
Oh.
Cut the cam.
You just prefer a bit more like dad bod, is that what?
What about your
Probably,
friend?
yeah.
Probably dad bod.
Is that like?
Would she be a dad bod as well? Number
on,
3, do you
Sarah.
reckon? Your friend?
I think body doesn't really matter. I think as long as they've got, if they're,
If they got kept.
Chemistry.
no, if they're smart, I find if they're interactive, I think nowadays body, like everyone's into the gym.
Yeah, we hate gym people. Like they just, they just show
100%.
off and yeah.
No, it's just, I don't mind people that are into fitness, of course, being healthy.
What about
That's
a
different.
masculine boxer?
No.
Like a fighter?
Is that a bit toxic? Is that a bit too much?
That's toxic, man. Toxic.
It's up to them.
I can't even
It's
say.
up
That's
to them.
everyone's choice, but not mine.
You're French.
French.
How good's your English? It seems okay.
Bonjour.
Je m'appelle Ben.
Oh my god. I don't know what to put
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Too hard. Too
Get
hard.
the what floor sign?
Vas-y, choisis aussi.
Two. You like two? How come? How come? You're just like.
Why?
What's muscles in
What's
French?
your number?
No.
I want to call you. Muscles.
Muscle. Because est-ce qu'il a plus de muscles because Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Prefer the 3.
You prefer the 3?
Yeah. It's muscle, but not too much.
Humble.
Not too much.
Humble bod.
You need to stop saying dad bod, bud. You want about dad
What
bod?
are you then?
Yo,
bruv?
you're getting angry, but you're winning.
All that matters is that the French like me.
Number
1.
yeah?
How come? How come I'm 1? Looks strong. Looks like he can fight.
Is both.
Both of you want both of them. You want both of them.
Is both.
But you prefer like the more muscly compared to the sort of slimmer.
Like they're
more
quite
tamer.
small.
Prefer more muscle.
More muscle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fair play.
Okay.
Where are you girls from?
China.
China. We're moving to China. And 3 and 4.
Okay, I'm between 1 and 3, but can I say 3 again?
1.
Oh, yeah, 3. 1 is my number 1.
I like 4.
Like 4. So like a bit more toned.
Yeah.
You know, because she's young. She's so young.
Yeah.
I know you wanted his number the whole time. I could just tell.
Oh, you guys are famous.
If you call that famous, then Mr. Famous. Mr. Famous.
That's the one thing you want
Mr.
to hear all
Famous.
day.
I'm gonna say 1 is like peak bulk, about to do a cut, so I'd go with 1. I think these two
Are better than them 2.
Yeah.
Why is that? Well, you just prefer a bit more muscle.
Personally, I'm a gym rat myself.
Oh yeah.
So to me, that looks like they've gone through a bulk, done a nice lean cut, gone for a shred. They're like in their peak condition.
She knows that stuff.
This
Damn.
one looks like they're about to go for it. So I'd say once the bulk comes off of this, they'll end up looking very similar to that. I prefer 1 or 2.
1 or 2.
I prefer a bit more muscle than that. If I had to pick
If you had
one,
to pick one of those 2.
Clear winner.
yeah, I'd go for 1.
Number 1.
Oh, right. So which one is which of these?
Well, what would you go for out of the 4?
1.
1 as well. So both for 1. 1 or 2. Okay.
Okay, so not much for these 2, okay. Fair enough.
All the gym lads out there finding out that they do actually like muscle, and it's not just guys that like muscle. So to conclude our day, despite some of the answers suggesting that girls preferred more muscle, in last place was number 2 with just 4 votes. Then in third place was number 1 with 8 votes, being the physique with muscle but with more of a bulk. Then in a close second place was number 4 with 9 votes, being the more toned, lean looking physique. Then as a clear winner for the day, we had number 3 with 13 votes, being the physique that we called a dad bod all day.
Winning the Rolex store.
That's actual reason.
It's just like...
No, that's the best reason I've heard it. All eternity.
That's fun.
How much can you hit first?
What? That's not, I don't think that's a bad question.
No, that's not bad.
Why are
It's
you
just
avoiding the question?
Well, how
Do
much
you
can I
hit
hit thrust? No, I don't hit thrust.
No, I don't think so. Most
what-
guys don't. No, that's not. Well, that's. Well,
can I be the
Saying I've
best
got a
man at
small
your
arse,
wedding?
that's what it is.
You two are so
Here he
cute.
comes, yeah.